Welcome to the T3 AI series, where TYPO3 meets artificial intelligence.
Select the page, click on Create New Content, then click on Plugins, add T3 AI VoiceOver element, save your T3 AI VoiceOver plugin. Afterwards, close this section to proceed. Click on Admin Tools from the drop-down menu. Click on Settings. Proceed to specify configurations for extensions. Next, explore features under TYPO3 AI. Select AI Audio from the given options. Please set the News Detail page ID where the AI VoiceOver plugin is added. Then click on Save T3 AI configuration. Close. Go to the page to edit the News VoiceOver. Select the News Detail page where the T3 AI VoiceOver plugin is added. Click on T3 AI. Choose the News Advanced in AI model. Choose your preferred AI model. Choose a specific version. Choose the right prompt based on your needs. Enter your topic. Provide keywords. Select topic numbers of results. Select the outline you want to create. Next, move on to the subsequent steps. Choose a suggested news content title. Next, move on to the subsequent steps. Tick if you want to generate a voiceover for the selected news. Secure your changes by clicking Save. Click Yes if you want to create elements in the news record. T3 AI News Voice Generate here. T3 AI VoiceOver is added. Now advance to the upcoming steps. Save the process. View the web page. Select the title of the desired result. Here is your T3 AI News VoiceOver.
Thank you for watching the T3 AI series.